Hello everybody, here we are at Moscow Python Conference, and here is Donald Whyte. Donald, please tell something about you.
Hey, so I came from the UK. I work for an algorithmic trading fund called Engineers Gates. So we process terabytes of time series data in order to try and predict what's going to happen in the stock market. So my day-to-day job is a mix of onboarding, cleaning, and large amounts of data, but also building our real-time processing systems that execute trades that we want to make on these stock markets.
What was your speech about?
It was about high-performance data processing in Python. So specifically, it's about leveraging Python's usability with various Python packages that provide performant data processing. So it's trying to marry the efficiencies of C with the ease of use of Python.
What do you think about the pros and cons of the Python in the data science?
Yeah. So I think Python, so the main pro is you can iterate on ideas very quickly because Python's so high level, so easy to use. The barrier to entry is low, so people who aren't like full-time developers can use it and still develop very quickly and experiment very quickly. I think some of the cons are, as mentioned, it's a bit slow, and so you have to use all these other libraries and tools to really make it usable for processing large amounts of data. And using those tools, in a sense, could kind of adds an extra level of indirection that might not be necessary. So there are times where it may be better to use something like C++. But overall, I think that the ease of use of Python just trumps any sort of indirection or complexity caused by using these other scientific packages.
And what will be your advice for the beginners in data science in Python?
That's a good question. Definitely spend a bit of time to actually understand how Python works. So I think I know a lot of researchers, for example, in our firm, again, their main job isn't software development, but they often spend a lot of time debugging and running into issues that that will be very easy to solve if they kind of knew Python at a slightly deeper level. So I think it's worth putting in some upfront time investment to learn Python properly, not just kind of copy-pasting code online.
Thank you very much. That's all.
Thank you.